Welcome to News Brief, your ultimate pit stop for everything on wheels, from launches to electric breakthroughs and concept cars.
When you hear the words Toyota, you probably think reliability, longevity, practicality. But today, we're not talking about boring. We're talking about fire. We're talking about adrenaline. We're talking about pure motorsport DNA injected into a street-legal machine. This is Toyota GR. GR stands for Gazoo Racing, Toyota's elite performance division forged in the heat of global motorsport competition. Born from rally stages, endurance racing, and track battles around the world, Toyota GR isn't about comfort first. It's about control, precision, aggression. And when you drive a GR machine, you feel it instantly. Let's start with what makes GR different. These are not just appearance packages. These are not cosmetic upgrades. Toyota's GR cars are engineered with serious hardware changes, reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension systems, track-tuned steering, performance brakes, and turbocharged engines that hit hard and fast. Take the legendary Toyota GR Supra. Long hood, wide stance, rear-wheel drive, turbocharged inline-six power that pulls like a missile. The GR Supra doesn't ask politely, it launches. It grips. It attacks corners with precision. The low center of gravity keeps it planted while the adaptive suspension sharpens every move. This car was built for drivers who crave connection. Then there's the rally-bred monster, the Toyota GR Yaris. This isn't your typical hatchback. This is a homologation special. A turbocharged 3-cylinder engine pushing insane power for its size. Lightweight body. Aggressive all-wheel drive system tuned for maximum traction. Short wheelbase. Explosive acceleration. It feels raw, mechanical, alive. On tight roads, the GR Yaris feels like it's hunting apexes. And don't forget the Toyota GR Corolla, the car that shocked the hot hatch world. Same rally-inspired turbocharged engine. Manual transmission. Track-ready cooling systems. Aggressive widebody stance. It's practical, yes, but stomp the throttle and it transforms into a street weapon. The intelligent GR4 all-wheel drive system lets you shift power distribution for maximum grip or playful oversteer. It's controlled chaos in the best way possible. What makes Toyota GR truly special isn't just power. It's balance. The steering is sharp and communicative. The throttle response is immediate. The braking performance is confidence-inspiring. GR cars are tuned to feel alive in your hands. There's weight to the controls. Feedback through the wheel. You feel the road. You feel the tires biting. You feel the chassis rotating beneath you. That connection. That's motorsport engineering at work. Toyota didn't build GR in a boardroom. They built it on racetracks and rally stages. Lessons from the World Rally Championship and endurance racing programs flow directly into these cars. Reinforced frames. Enhanced aerodynamics. Functional air intakes and vents. Even the seating position is optimized for driver control. And let's talk design. GR cars don't whisper. They announce themselves. Aggressive front bumpers. Massive air intakes. Blacked out wheels. Flared fenders. Rear diffusers. Spoilers that aren't just for looks. They add real downforce. Every element serves a purpose. Performance first. Style second. But the result looks incredible. Inside, the focus remains on the driver. Supportive sport seats hug you tight. Contrast stitching and GR badging remind you this isn't standard Toyota territory. The steering wheel feels thick and purposeful. The digital displays often include performance data, boost pressure, torque distribution, lap timers. It's a cockpit designed for action. But here's what makes Toyota GR even more impressive: reliability. Unlike many high-performance brands that demand constant maintenance and high ownership costs, Toyota builds GR cars with durability in mind. You get track-ready performance with the peace of mind Toyota is famous for. That combination is rare. Aggression meets dependability. Now let's talk driving experience. Press the start button and the engine wakes up with attitude. In turbocharged GR models, you'll hear that subtle spool, that sharp exhaust note. Shift into gear, especially if you've got the manual, and you're immediately in control. Clutch engagement feels deliberate. Gear throws are tight and mechanical. Step on the gas and torque hits instantly. Turbo boost builds fast. The car surges forward. On a straight road, acceleration feels addictive. On corners, the chassis rotates with precision. Push harder and the grip holds. Push even more and the rear starts to dance, especially in rear-wheel drive setups like the GR Supra. Toyota GR cars reward skill. They encourage better driving. They're not numb. They're not disconnected. They challenge you, and that's what makes them exciting. And in today's world of quiet, heavy electric vehicles, GR stands as a reminder that combustion performance still has a heartbeat. Still has drama. Still has soul. But Toyota is also evolving. The GR division is experimenting with hybrid performance and alternative fuels in motorsport. That means the future of GR won't lose performance, it will redefine it. Expect smarter power delivery. Expect lighter materials. Expect innovation without sacrificing aggression. Toyota GR isn't trying to compete with exotic supercars in price. It's doing something smarter. It's delivering real performance at a level enthusiasts can access. You don't need $1 million budget to feel like a racing driver. You just need the right machine. From the GR Supra's highway dominance, to the GR Yaris, rally-bred chaos, to the GR Corolla's street fighting practicality. This lineup proves one thing. Toyota still knows how to build cars that make your heart race. So if you thought Toyota was just about economy and reliability, think again. GR is loud. GR is fast. GR is engineered for people who love driving. This isn't marketing hype. This is motorsport DNA unleashed on public roads. Toyota GR isn't here to play safe. It's here to attack corners. To dominate streets. To remind the world that performance still matters. And when you finally get behind the wheel of a GR machine, you won't just understand it. You'll feel it. Subscribe for more.